for the integrity of the brand Ghana Football Association, we will appeal. Say, Asamba, find a way to deal with issues internally. Now, PJ, look at the difference between Asemweba Afofro, Nekoye media war, social media war, any words of war, and say officially Kotoko wrote to FA. FA gave a date and a response. Say, oh, Yebeshia Monday, and the outcome of the Monday engagement meeting. Asumjaba. And Asumjana about today, it has not hurt a fly. See, it was a share, it was Zoom meeting. What best or chere wa dream for some nubia for dream chere na yen sipo. Today we are all happy. See, omuko share no, and penyifa ajatum say, oh, the Premier League clubs dodo na kan say yemu akonya per article 42.5 of the Ghana Football Association Premier League regulations, ayade bia also mogitum. Now today the communication from the meeting and say yes obia betima betua ni approve fee, the GFA will go on to give you your approval letter and your permission. You can submit it at your pre-match press conference and you'll be allowed to go and film games, for your educational, academic or tactical purposes. Case closed. Now, say Kenya internal engagement. And Kenya that's what say more radio so. Yeah, that's what TV so. Abra yenim say solutions, just a mutual respect away from respecting the brand Ghana football and coming together to discuss our issues. Intermediate, I will continue to say this. Say, Mr. Every member and every stakeholder of Ghana Football Association, the best way to get results is to internally engage each other on every crucial decision via on Beso Muteki, and that is the only way they can get a solution and guard the integrity of Ghana football as a brand. Na ebuane de asumdweba na moving forward. Now, PJ, the issue about transparency and accountability, as our baby, and Amame Akai, this institution on research on Ghana football and who integrity and accountability, I score 0. Look, Nana Safo do percent or refer you to an article in the status. May the screenshot number powerly. Article 39 of the Status of Ghana Football. Ekasa about powers of the Executive Council. So we go through all of them. I don't know, but Eyakwa say Nana Safo was stressing on 39K. Because that is the only way an opening article Emma Executive Council no powers bia similar to the end of person or professional. And Paul say Obama Omomuhe Facebook no ko K honum Obama K na ba because say tin K ne say the Executive Council approve and issue regulations governing the conditions of participation in the staging of competitions organized by the Ghana Football Association. And the Executive Council no and be approve and be issue regulations governing the conditions of participation. Now, if this is what Nana Safo is dwelling on, to say they have powers, on paper they do. But it can't you say, oh, I didn't know how fatal. And the simple reason they say, if you know the history of Ghana Football Association, now the apathy between football competitions and they are supposed to be the public interest drivers are competition, Now in terms of getting to corporate institutions to come and help with football. Make sure says we executive committee member. Sir, Jumadie way solution you want us to even have any discussion either on radio, on social media, on TV about transparency and accountability with the Ghana Football Association brand. Now, PJ, Semetin China. Imagine yourself as a corporate institution. Who are the attractions? Some person this Sikako Ghana football. Then the discussion that is going on and they say, oh, Sikana Odiko Ghana football empono. There's a discussion between transparency and accountability. And the Usikana Odiko Ghana football it's not being felt by the clubs that are participants of the league now. Do Sikako Remuno. They are fuming. Say, oh, Sikana Odiaba. Yanu was a contract. But Yakra league ni who contract nibi. This discussion we are having about start times deal, no? Is it giving start time mileage or is giving negative reportage about transparency and accountability at the FA? Now he was taking us through saying, oh, you respected the structure of the FA. Now you found to acquire a buying a year Jumania who say, oh, say this structure neswa. You be say, oh, and you be able to me out to do. Then my simple question to Nana Safo and the rest of the executive council members, no, in ye. Why then and no more forming the Premier League Management Committee? Because say nay, so say you follow fencing the structure of your Premier League, no, in terms of any diswa, 2 million diswa, any club engagement about these issues I didn't want to say yeah. Then anchor the Premier League Management Committee should be an integral part of this discussion. And me assure say with the Premier League Management Committee, no. FA for no 2 members, clubs no 5 members, no. So if we run everything by them, many sure clubs no will go into a CEO meeting and ask questions about contractor, sign on behalf of them. Because by this time, the 5 members they have in the Premier League Management Committee would have seen the contract, relay all the information the clubs will need to know about the contract, and the club will not bypass them and come and ask the General Secretary and the Executive Council straight. So move on, no man, media. See you be da and Rebecca say you be da. You the discussion of transparency and accountability are yet to the man Ghana football. And say upe so utu one amount now solve ya. And yet chinchina chin. And yet a man on my side. And yet gidi say mini wako nyasa me de bachelor. Don't quote us the articles. Deal with the issues. Me de man no crazy no PJ. Say ya ka asem ni nyina na say samene apa. And where we will go back and ask questions about the quality of your Congress. Because any say me a club, na say me bo competition. Na say you sign contracts for the competition. Na me a member and a participant of the competition. Na me busa say oh, mama mi hu the wom. Say na be a measurement me adjust myself. Say na be in unison, we all can respect the contract and go. And how we will even respect the contract, how we will even project the contract, how we will even give mileage to Momodit Scarabano. Ebetimama ye jina yese benya more of these contracts. Na ye quote me article, amako append me signature and approval to a status. Then it means me anka sakrano. Ebi am Congress, I don't pay attention to details. Because ebe ya say ubusa for details and transparency, and you are being used, yeah, the one kasa status oko apubi against you in asking for transparency and accountability. Intimacy, mumu nyina yani na ho. The issues we had in the past, see you can see betu ho na more and find solutions ye nyina ye betimi aye, but may expect say the executive council members today will be too strict on articles and not go by the history of Ghana football when it comes to transparency and accountability, and say for contracts in Chiromo. And if they want to respect the structures of the FADR, then the relevance of the Premier League Management Committee today is in question, and how relevant that committee is at PJ.
All right, sometimes past many ora kudufiano inter Gaka chairman his capacity as a Gaka chairman. DNT and a class no one day some dema say F in enko sign contract mamu na F in emamu detail. I remember about 2017 or so. Yeah, recap it near I'm just adding na issue na no and as also about BPB.
Okay.
Okay, maybe say even the contract itself, no. Some executive committee members say omunya enhu bi kura nhwemu. Ubetima emphasize am I.
Say nipa be hwe nyame anim aka no kware ya. Say nipa be hwe nyame anim aka no kware ya. Mufra obi aba ko ba ya. We president from only 21. We be some years one contract including the vice president.
Wow. Now, I'm not now escort na contract sa so no. Na munhu bi ana.
go find on.
O time ning na mu we.
Okay. Like I said, that time when I'm saying ESCO members no kwa enya contract li bin hwem.
Since that time na emergency committee na erade
Enti enne you know omu nya bi crash including the vice president. Enye say emergency committee kwa o say contract no kwa do vice president kwa onya bi hwemu.
That's a president nkwa.
It's a emergency committee kwa nya bi hwem. Executive committee kwa hwem. Na kasa ba be class no. Sa bon ba ko ne nsa hwade.
Let me say officiating to me. No. This level of
okay, maybe say even the contract itself, no. Some executive committee members say, "Omunya enhu bi kura nhwemu." Ubetima emphasize am I?
Sir, nipa be hwe nyame anim aka no kware ya. Sir, nipa be hwe nyame anim aka no kware ya. Mufra obi aba ko ya. We president from only 21. We be so many as one contract, including the vice president.
Wow. Now, I'm not now escort na contract sa so no. Na munhu bi ana.
Go find on.
O time ning na mu we.
Okay. As a film resantene besi ne no efe ne de omo sign contractor omo ma members no ehun em say ya aka ho I do not know time as ade no beti me twem say dia ne ama mandate say koye man e dey na ba at least confidentiality ni bona ehun obligations obede aye ho adwuma enti okoye bibi na contrary to the obligations of the contractor. What comes out? Abi my enkasa bio as what na ho
Pidem ji said the akofa we nyina aba no eye efini ne nhihye bia e wo hwa enye transparent because double call meeting dance and I was expecting say biomeka say after meeting kra any start time sin nhihye na e wo no ya yen sakra bi wo mu it's a mu yen sakra wo mu dia it means say the initial na wo mu regulations mu na akotokofo raise here 425 I can about fee any for educational purposes. Any 73.1 members say no owners of any rights be away no. It is still enforceable. Let me expect to say be after Monday meeting. No more member so this start times for come here format as say. And she say no more no. Sanction the assistant no. But sanction no ho. Let's say so catch say be ba be twa e betu aba be twa dia. That means say initial communication at the bar say intimi ntwa no kra no. Na wrong in the first place. Because I don't know mobi who say obet me a twa. But so we try a year for educational purposes. What betcha bia for commercial purpose bia no uti amra the appropriate sanctions or what say ye do fem. But so in the blanket sa no mo mu ye papa no mo mu ye boni ni nyina no mo nyina be hye net no no bia enye say punish no bia na ye punish no. It has initially no any communication no was flawed and I said was problematic in the sense say entimi enyi me ehunu die ntia obi eni hu kwan se esuotwa ene de nti obi hu kwan se esuotwa because mesimetwa what the miska and what the miska no what does it mean? It means say you have consented say etembetwa enti be betwa na bedru wa what do you can chem say afa unu obi foforo contractor and no pa kwon say o ma me metwa bra wo this can na winim because what this can there's always a presumption so why did they at least say you have consented what pray say that initial that contract we must say me be traf in exchange for a fee no a valid that me about by and to this can we are won't you some catch him say oh after you know before for sign contract no nipa ko ne say mucha infringe on contract and na sign into no ye ma mu mecha contract and mu no nipa ko na sign e den na eka. And as we speak now, you're very unfortunate. Say no, Mr. Dros Aboka say club chairman Omar Randy Omu through the contract. I mean, how do you run somebody through a contractor? It be a woman a copy of the contract. Say a reasonable say contract be ho. Now when me bet nasi, no watch media. Equally reasonable say we are so to be mommy copy. Next say idea we never discuss any because for a very important say. FNA sign contract for and on behalf of the clubs. Clubs in FNA sign contract. And DM say FNA best sign contract for and on behalf of clubs. That clubs say what their rights and what the obligations are under the contract. Because so one follow rights and obligations, it comes with sanctions. There are sanctions attached to failure to follow rights and obligations, especially when it comes to contract. And say contract and sign say na metimi aye say na mintimi nye say na betimi aye say na musu ntimi nye say na meye bibia me hunu say parameters are may work within any but the minimum dia na me beye metia huska what is cano ewie me bedru onaka so mama ntwa then it raises a lot of issues. So administration a very simple. So person money here can, but some money here very difficult. Wow, ube people who are quite to baby, ube quite na be a then you be calling for meetings upon meetings to explain certain stance and I say certain decisions we are taking because we have just some Monday and right meeting on Kweno. No, you're very unnecessary. So come to me to tell Munyama a year as I say now. Committee can rise it. Because there was no way you mess up with meeting on the contract I must sign for and on behalf of clubs. Our clubs in the end. What's I can say so cha so TS can TS can we be draw our CFA umami because uno be for a contract. I just say very unnecessary. Ni nyina ye transparency. Say oman ye transparent. Na bibu na ya kwache kokona me yenu yakoye. Bi wo na yenu yakoye wo ha na yenu yakoye. So munu say clubs no they say so do na ya wide awake o. And then you may be na first sitting and now pushing around and no this. You say the people have started asking questions. And some questions in the air but because people don't have answers. And it's like answers are available. Because these questions will never arise. And TFN must be transparent. Contract then will be a beside because clubs didn't know sign contract. No. And the internet clubs in any contract. Omunim who be bia. That's what me. Ora ketne buy no more money no. Omon sign contract no more. Kotoko a part be affected by the contract of Minister Times are signing. Has Olympics, as good teams are organizing no be affected by contract of Star Times are signing. And see Argentina, omo mu ye main actors are contracted for mo no. Omo contract no we.
Me kai president Yanteti time no edu baby na clubs na fight say ya no be so more details of contract no. Na executive committee, the then executive committee no committee sir. Near the contract details no baby ya photocopy baby near the aba. Nti mu nyina mu hwem na mu run it through mu committee. Ni asaji ni nyina.
What is all that? Nti eden no mu di sie. Nti wo yesa na obi ti abonten a it clearly indicates say would BBC no. Because if you don't have anything to hide, a contractor was sign ama medie. Adenti na nyese bi hunu.
Okay.
I'm the one was say.
Eti no what dey we ni beche ye. Na am what dey have begin discussion on the Ash Gold game no. Enti am say menya predictions before Boase menya bisu for. Predictions na if you Boase ba no. Ene nkran de no bo bra. Boase me ti 4 bi ho. Ena crowd me ti 2 bi ho. Sir. Enti be say o boy na de room. So me say go 4-1 ni 2-0 bi. Me hu dey be triumph and then you be.
Your Facebook go be do. Has you to a free Cape Coast. Akon kran nyina mo bass ne nam kwan so nyina your videos ni ho. Ashanti Gold omo final training na omo so na omo be body omo bass akọ Accra. Eno so omo squad omo dey call. Any the probable lineup for two teams no. And then you mean as you go through no.
Okay, and if I will be boy now the house for no a free Cape Coast.
Yes, has a free Cape Coast in here.
Akọ Accra no.
Yes.
You say 2-0 ni bebe man.
The Phobian bed.
The Phobian bed na ha.
Yes.
You say 2-0 na am dey ko bebe man.
Na ga oti sound na I say about to pipim na say 2 has on me say 2.
What's the other so am say 4 bi.
On the better so.
Me has ye ne kakransa. Me has ye ne kakransa. Say the omo ye no ebetimi ama 2 na ba. But ye hwe has dey on Facebook na be share discussion ase no. Na me kai tie for say last hour energy drink papa I tried and tested. Unum bia mu ahoden mro so de ye adwuma da omre ho. Sugar kakra bi ne wom, caffeine kuma bi ne wom, na lemon ne tori ne guarana ahyemu ma be eno na ma nipa enya ahoden mro so de ye adwuma da omre ho. Itine we football club na be say we si aka na odi nkunim a last hour energy drink na e wo say onum bia e ma wonya hotoso e ma improved strength strengthen your system no and my body so function ye e ma won so say yes why be memo why you adwuma na hoden afuru mu last energy drink now no last energy drink yes more of them your number 055
969-8009 055-969-8009 Franco Trading Enterprise phone apapa fie Alcatel phone, Tecno phone, Samsung phone, Infinix, STG, Apple, Nokia, Itel ne Huawei benya de papa ne bo na for Franco Trading Enterprise ope Franco branded TVs of all inches of all sizes ning na you be your eye de ma ope Skyworth TV and Asano TV will be ope accessories SD cards, chargers, pen drives, power banks, USB cables, digital watches, mobile Wi-Fi and they can one ning na Franco Trading Enterprise will be ope Franco Trading Enterprise chira kwa o de Kumasi kwa dum ya nkrabata ba kwa ben ejaba jewelry sanso na ya ba koso ben challenge bookshop ana YFM ya ba koso wo adjacent Edum Old Melcom ya ba ko e wo opposite the Prudential Bank ana around Boss FM ya ba ko opposite the Kofo Clinic and ba koso the new KGT free number we so 0206310483 0206310483 on said and semitico cowboy amok and on moka a buan cra omunyam rufie aduonu when you bid numa emwa ho de mo so ma de adwuma da omre ho e biwa dwunu mako school near chewa dia eka utim cowboy mok and on moka vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, E and K ashemu ma be when you biduma eboa anopa yenkai say yenum cowboy coffee and a cowboy mocha and a cowboy chocolate e wia ne anwumre your cowboy strawberry, cowboy banana and a cowboy chocolate cowboy yankasa yamok Jonathan Sans me kan wasama chewo edu fiada ne memrenda ne kwasiada dia bia kromanum de pa no Friday night, Saturday night, Sunday night Jonathan Sans kro from just behind the Total filling station obahon man na say adofo ene adofo edi ahia your line of fresh 0244 866759 0244866759 and na o fresh say bia o ye party bi o ye engagement o ye wedding o ye funeral ana o ye naming ceremony bi now aduane e dey serve wo ho e ba se a Jonathan Sans yes ade na ya ma o se menka o se Friday we ye o ye Kolomashi night or the Conti the Jama group Moral group and odo ba abebo Kevin ya we na jo musika no come on why na omumra Friday we you know or the Conti squad ne ba be gumbe bo Jama Friday night
fabulous tertiary for no well because one a fan park Kotoko fan park Porcupine tertiary for
yeah omo ya heavy
so no mo the heaviest Jama group or Kumasi
Porcupine tertiary
so be
and
so the man here so a combination of Conti bia
okay
so mo the combination mo kabo mo sana
and him say Calvin Sisano the Friday no Porcupine tertiary and eba grow from Jonathan Sans now o ma be bonnum pa charge ekopum say o mo ankasa ade bechi etuba abenya aduane pe di Ghana aduane be say banku ni tilapia rice and soup jollof rice Nigeria aduane eba ni egusi soup nwo bi fish point and kill barbecue pepper soup vegetable soup and semolina or vegetable soup and pando yam or easy ewu goat head and salad white soup and eba ni nyina ubenya bi honum ensa ho ro de bro ni de mbro nyina no ubenya bi blue label green label ene de kan kan hu na ba Jonathan Sansa ubenya bi ato enti no Adams fire man how the fuck Afina o me begin o campaign no in the league with a game against Ashanti Gold. 84 from Obuasi and 82 from Kai. You move which switch for your room.
Yeah, it's going to be an interesting game. Ash Gold with Ikiabo. I'm who almost strength no weakness. 2-2 draw money Carolina United boy. Ash Gold about CAF Confederation Cup on Sunday. And they will need a motivation. They will need something that will keep them the confidence going into that game. Until Omoko Akaro or Muni say a coin biaso also Munya draw and also the victory in the best Cowboys because if they lose, it is going to have an effect on them against Sanitas FC in the CAF Confederation Cup, and that is why Milovan Sekovic and the boys are poised say coin biaso also Mutimina results are it will very, very favorable for them. House of Folk, very, very unfortunate for them. Omo team and bomb first game against Adriana Stars. But Oshe has folk team Omukra about 90% of the squad and all last season. Or I think with the exception of Kofi Koji, all the other players I did Joseph Feso. But Joseph Feso wasn't that a key figure in the House of Folk team. Yeah, even though not or part of the team. But Kofi Koji, who gave them 6 goals in the league, every Mudia, it means they are going to lose some goals up front. But Osha, as of additions or Maya, and preparations or Maya, they are in top shape, and I'm expecting us to say on a very good football and the Accra Sports Stadium. House of Folk Ash Gold games has always been cagey. I think the last time House of Folk said Ash Gold about some 5 seasons ago. What I say? Apart from 5 seasons ago, no, the last 3-4 seasons, even in the 2 targeted leagues, Ash Gold, it's me has 3-1 Cape Coast, and the last season so was 0-0 at Accra Sports Stadium. And Ash Gold have been getting some very good results when they play House of Folk at Accra Sports Stadium. Mekai Kenichi Yashua to crack time. Our call Boise Kosha Ash Gold 2-1. Ash Gold were able to go to Accra, get a 2-2 draw. It means whenever Ash Gold echo away against House of Folk, no matter me, echo the moment. It is very unfortunate. Say Omunya first choice centre back Samuel Ibrahim Emmanuel and game because we play against Carolina United, but they have a very good replacement for him. That's Makelenu Oba Kakra against Carolina United. We also saw the exploit for team and friend Ashanti Goreti Osha, and it's likely Samuel Fan Sekovic will keep goalkeeper friend Mohamed Bayrou from Burkina Faso in the post. Kodamo Akon is back from the Black Stars camp against Carolina. He will start at right back. Richard Osadman Ajo, so a fit, no 100% fitter. You always expect him to start for Ashanti Gold.
Okay, probable lineup in House of Folk and then Ashanti Gold Sporting Club. Yes. Probable lineup and you know all things being equal. Ebebano, your display or your Facebook page on Brabehe Insura 104.5, Insura 104.5. Brabehe. When it's what there, okay, no for room, but today, yeah.
Abdul Bashir, and so a bit to me about right, left back or Ediama Ashgood. Now, about Central Bedford now, David Abagna Sandan, now for the Abekan Hons MP, no a part of the Our Stars team of League in 2016. Apia Makati, one of the best midfielders we have in the country so far. Amos Ade. And then a branch of friend Yawano anti-man against Carolina United. And they are likely to be making a debut and against House of Folk. And Yawano also needs no introduction or an experienced player or ball matches against House of Folk, and he knows how to deal with them whenever he meets them. And up front, you know, the experienced Hans Kofi and the other captain team, you know, and we all know so also one or former. You can't dispute his qualities. Inti on it, Makejekum. So if Makejekum let me pass a fit there, Makejekum Hans Kofi will start up front. But Uncle Banisa, it is likely Hans Kofi will start as arrowhead for Ashgold attack. Inti that's how the Ashgold team will shape up. And actually has a focus. Richard Atta is starting as the first choice goalkeeper. Larry Sumaila, ball right back. People will be asking, say, Captain and friend Abdul Fattah Mohammed, I didn't on started. Per the reports and what we had during the preseason, it means Larry Sumailano was ahead of Fattah. We can't say Fattah is not starting, but per former no preseason, it is likely Larry Sumailano will start at right back for Accra House of Folk. Now left back, no, Radi Marcel Ovuka from Congo. Last season, excellent performance from Abrantiano. On the way to me about at right back. Nuru Sule, very, very experienced. On a Abrantiano friend Mohamed Alassa, Ebe partner or central defense. So Benjamin Afutu Kote, one of the best defensive midfielders we have in the country so far. On also be to me starting Emmanuel Neti. On that, you see, House of Folk did number 10 shirt night. At the Amano after Joseph so every team, it tells you how important he is going to be for House of Folk this season. And Emmanuel Neti, Michel Sapon, and so Ebe started also former no do preseason or share a lot of goals at the House of Folk during the preseason. Now Ghana under 20 captain Daniel Free Bani, and so Ebe started. Game or the left flank forward the House of Now Patrick Razak, as we all know, as usual, back from Horoya AC, and so starting a Kojo Obin Jr. Almost about House of Folk and said who the best of him, but Osha the preseason matches, was short glimpses said this season might be very, very good for Brantefon Kojo Obin Jr. Until Osha 2 squats in BBR. it looks like draw ebetimi favorable game
but who the two coach go plus add 2 to 4 and draw
and not draw
was for kuta 4
who's
4-1 and a so ebe 2-0
yeah
ejino
baako bi ake
ese baako ese ne
baako ake
and 1-0 beba me che one
as good fans ese omuko da home ekoyo omo ne oma no 4-1 nom do munim so mbenya wa
mko yie be free pole mu say the Rwanda is here
yes omo ko da home nom ko ye busa omo ye yo no omo say 4-1 dey sure bet and I have some folk for say omo so da home ne kra be omo ten obwasefo ti ya de tina also obwasefo mu mbesa omo ko da home omo so akororo mu omo ko na me na ne ya wuro mu omo say 2-0 no omo so be she ntende 6
and you 4-1 2-0 no man say
me there maybe am gina there me say draw likely will give him but say win beba am for shame tuna na me fa ma hu
e tena ya boy we ni ja no ba have easy Jimmy okay Agape Harvest Institute, a school of science and technology branches